I looked at she's
That's
enjoyed
good.
it. Now that's our video.
Yeah.
Look at that. Look at that nice. Isn't that a nice gift? And an elephant. And an elephant. So.
Okay, now I'll take a picture with her.
Huh?
Now I'll take a picture with her. Bye, bye. Hey, Joe. Charles, you gonna get over here?
Yeah.
Hey, Joe. Say happy birthday. Say happy birthday.
Hey. Hi.
So, say hi to
Happy
mommy.
birthday. Oh yeah, that's that gift. That's a nice gift. Can you open up that? Let's see. Can you? First, you gotta get all the paper off.
Say happy.